Hello children. Here quadratic equation class 10 and it is third part that we are going to discuss here. We will learn here how to solve quadratic equation. How to solve this quadratic equation? There are three methods. First method is factorization method which we will discuss today, which we will learn today. Second method is by completing the square, which is deleted now in your syllabus. And third method is formula method, which is new for you and we will learn it. So today, factorization method, we will discuss. Already you have done factorization in class 8 and 9 also. So what are those four methods? There are four methods. What are those? Let me know. First method is by HCF. Second method by regrouping. Third method by identities. So many identities are there. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, and fourth method, which is very important, that is splitting the middle term. So we have to see that which method we are going to apply in given question. So suppose I take any question that you solve the equation, quadratic equation, this. It can be written solve, or sometimes they write that find the roots or zeros or solutions are the same. Zeros where the graph cuts the x-axis, as you have seen in graph of quadratic polynomial, that where it intersects, we have verified also. So this equation, how to solve it? Factorization. So here we can't use HCF, there is nothing common. So regrouping we cannot do. Here three terms are there. So this also. Now we just say check that identity can we use here. So check 100x square, that is 10x whole square. 1 is also perfect square number. Now we just check that if it is a square and b square, so is this term is minus 2ab or not? So it is minus 2 into 10x into 1, 20x, minus 20x. So that means it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square form. So this identity we can use a minus b whole square. You can use by splitting the middle term also. So here it is a minus b whole square is 0. So we have coincident roots. Both roots are same, that is x equals to 1 by 10, and another also we have equal roots, that is 1 by 10 and 1 by 10 are solutions or roots or zeros of the equation. So this way you will find out. Here you have to find out sometimes by splitting the middle term. You have to check that which factors you will take such that it will satisfy the equation, and then you find out solution of the equation. I take another question. Suppose any one root is given. There are two roots. One root is given. Equation is this: 3x square minus kx minus 2 is 0, and one root is 2. You have to find out other root and find the value of k. Find k and other root. So if we know that if it is one root is 2, that means it will satisfy the given equation. That means if we put the value of x as 2, it is satisfying the equation. So simply we put the value and simplify it. Minus 2k minus 2 is 0. That is 12 minus 2, that is 10 minus 2k is 0. That means it is 10 equals to 2k or k equals to 5. So we have got k equals to 5. That means our equation is 3x square minus kx minus 2 is 0, or we put the value, that is 3x square minus 5x, k we have got 5. So 5x minus 2 equals to 0. So what is a here? 3. If we compare with the standard form, b is minus 5 and c is minus 2. Now we have to find out that other root. So we have one root 2. I don't know the other root. We have done in quadratic polynomial that sum of zeros is minus b by a. So from there we can find out. Here alpha is given 2, and can we find out beta from here? What is minus b? 5 by 3. So how to solve it? Beta is here, 2 will go that side, that is 5 by 3 minus 2. We take LCM, it is 3, 5 minus 6, that is minus 1 by 3. So you can find out by this way, or there is other method or product of roots also I know. So alpha beta is c by a. C is what? Minus 2. A is what? 3. Alpha is here 2. Beta I have to find out. So beta is again minus 1 by 3. So by any of this, either sum of the roots or by product of roots, I can find out by what is my other root and value of k. So this way you will find out when one root is given and second one you have to find out and value of k.